बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। इन्नल्लाहा व मलाइकतहु यस्सल्लू अला नबी या अय्युहल्लज़ीना आमनू सल्लु अलैहि वसल्लिम तस्लीमा। From the silence of the desert a light arose, a voice of truth that the whole world knows. Not a king crowned with jewels or gold, but a messenger of God, humble and bold, with the Quran in hand, a guiding flame. He lived each word, not just in name. In prayer, he bowed with a heart so pure. In trials, he stood with patience secure. A father, a husband, gentle in care, a leader who taught justice was fair. For the orphan, the widow, the weak, the slave, he gave them honor, the dignity they craved. On the battlefield with courage he stood, at mercy flowed stronger than blood. When enemies bowed at Makkah's gate, he forgave, for mercy was his faith. In Medina's street he built a land of peace, of justice, by God's command. Through counsel and wisdom he showed the way, that faith and life are one each day. Circle complete from birth to end. Every step was for God to send a mercy to worlds, the Quran's living guide, the Prophet of Allah with truth at his side. From the deserts of silence a light began to rise. सहरा की खामोशी में उजाला फैला, हक़ की सदा पहुँची फलक तक. Not crowned with jewels, not seated on a throne, न ताज न तख्त मगर खुदा का मुंतखब नबी. The Quran in his hands, a lamp of guidance. कुरान की आयत चिराग हिदायत, राह हक़ का निशान. In worship he bowed with a heart sincere. नमाज में खुशू, दुआ में सुकून, सब्र में इस्तक़ामत. A father so gentle, a husband so kind. शौहर की मोहब्बत, बाप की वफ़ा, यतीमों का सहारा. In Medina he built a nation of peace. मदीना में अदल व इंसाफ का झंडा बुलंद हुआ. On the battlefield braved at just, मैदान जंग में बहादुर मगर दिल में रहमत. At the conquest of Makkah, enemies stood in shame. फ़तह मक्का पर जब दुश्मन झुके, नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम सबको माफ़ कर दिया. His life a circle complete and pure. इब्तिदा से इंतहा तक हर कदम पर था अल्लाह का नूर. A mercy to mankind, a guide through Quran. रहमतुल आलमीन सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम कुरान का ज़िंदा फरमान.